If you're someone who loves books as much as I do and would love to build a community around that interest, then I have a piece of advice from you. It comes from a man named Casper Ter Kuile. Apologies if I'm butchering the name, I know I am. But he was a recent guest on the Goop podcast, specifically about building communities, and I've linked to that below if you want to listen to the full thing. But in it, there's just this one piece of advice that was just a golden nugget that I had to extract and share with you. And that is to go to your local bookstores and check out the authors that are coming in to do a reading. And find people that are within the genre of books that you like. So therefore, you're discovering, books that might have otherwise not been on your radar. You're supporting local bookstores. You're supporting the authors that are putting out great books, especially the more indie authors, if you will, or, even if they aren't indie, like the ones that aren't like Stephen King or whoever. And more so, by going there, you're going to meet people that are also interested in this author and that particular genre, right? And you could bond around that at that gathering, right? So it's just a wonderful, amazing thing that seems so simple when you really think about it, right? And so easy, and yet it didn't come to my mind, right? Certainly libraries also put on amazing events, and those are other options to do something similar as this. But I just love the idea of, I love supporting local bookstores and just supporting authors as well. So this is just a win on so many levels that it just kind of melted my heart of oh, wow, that's a really fantastic idea. And so I wanted to share it with you. I'm going to try to do it a lot more, now that I know about it. Well, who am I kidding? I've never done it, right? In that sense, I've gone to local bookstores and supported authors and met people, but never with this intention to specifically build a community around like-minded people. Might have been just an inherent byproduct, but now it's going to be more top of mind, right? And with that in mind, I'm so excited to utilize this piece of advice, and I hope you do too. If all this resonates with you, take that step forward, and when you do, let me know how it goes for you. I'm very curious to hear your experience of it all. I'm sure it'll be wonderful, and I'll share mine in the comment section as well when I do it, which will be hopefully very soon.